What is going on, guys? I hope you're having an epic day. Sorry about the croaky voice. I'm getting a little bit sick. Don't worry, it's not the Rona. So, yeah, this video is just going to be about the black cockatoo and the Kookaburra that we did. Unfortunately, there is a little bit of footage that we didn't get because it started raining. It doesn't look like it in most of the videos, but the rain was on and off the whole time we were doing this job, except for the first day, Saturday, which we wanted to get the fox out of the way because it was one of the most difficult things to do. So yeah, so we just tagged along with Will, got some videos. He wanted to use my scaffolding and said, do you want to help out? So thought we'd go up and get some videos. So I hope you guys enjoy. Again, sorry about the music choice. I don't want to get flagged again. So yeah. So that's about all we got of these guys. There is a few more time lapses, but I think I'm going to do like a solid time lapse 2-minute video of the whole build / carve that Will did. So I'll save them for a little bit later. And yeah, thank you guys for watching. Take it easy, stay awesome, and remember, you can't fail if you try. See you later.